People are still failing on these roundabouts. Don't be like them. I'm Ian. I'm from Revolution Driving Lessons. We cover the Mansfield, Ashfield, Worksop and Chesterfield areas for driving lessons and driving tests. And we're going to take a look at a section of roundabouts on the Ashfield test routes that are still catching people out. Watch it, because the second and the fourth are the ones that catch people out the most. Let's get to the main video and hopefully help you not fail because of them. Hi everyone, here we are at the main junction in Sutton Ashfield. It's Outram Street, approaching the first roundabout. Now, the first roundabout, we're going to turn left. You better to get your signal on just before you get over this bump here, and just make sure it stays on as you turn the corner. Now, it is a speed hump, so no drama about where we are. Before you enter the roundabout as well, obviously you're looking right, but it's well worth checking left here for the green light at the pedestrian crossing. You'll see it come into focus in 1 second. And there it is there, look. So you're just checking as you're going that green light is on. No one seems to spot this second roundabout, but as you approach it, you can see a sign for it just a long way off. There, look. So you'll see the double mini roundabout sign and the give way. Now we're approaching it a little bit more. Make sure that you have a really good look on the right hand side. Plenty of time. The bushes hide cars coming out of the petrol station. The third roundabout we're going to come to, we're going to turn left. But before we do that though, beware of this entrance here on the left of the car park. If you signal too soon, so the combination of your signal, you slowing all the way down for the roundabout, might mean somebody pulls out on you if they think you're sort of like going into the car park. So now we've turned left, we're going to head up towards the third roundabout. We're going to cut some of this little road out here because it's a bit of a long stretch. So we're up to the roundabout now. We're going to approach steadily. Keep to the right-hand lane on approach. Take the third exit towards Huthwaite. Be wary of the left-hand side as you're going round, because people tend to go round in the wrong lane. And as you're coming around here, make sure, again, real big left mirror check here. And try here if you come off to the left-hand lane. Otherwise, you'll always get stuck behind a taxi or a car that's trying to turn right into that road on the right. And it wasn't one there this time. And that's it. That's the area you need to worry about. Anything you're worried about, then let us know. Any videos you'd want to see, let us know and we'll get them sorted for you. Okay, take care. Thank you. Bye-bye.